Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Discord tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to turn off hardware acceleration in Discord. This is actually quite simple. First of all, we open Discord, and it doesn't matter where you are because all we have to do is click on the cogwheel next to the profile name at the bottom. In the user settings we go to App Settings and click on Advanced. And here we will find the hardware acceleration. If we click on the slider, the hardware acceleration will be turned off. We click on OK, and now Discord has to be restarted for the change to take effect. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!